Hi, first graders. We are working today with the digraph SH. SH says shh. Please write your name at the top of your paper. All right, my friends, today you're going to need a blue and a yellow crayon. And you'll notice at the top of our paper, we are going to color words that have the consonant digraph SH blue. SH says shh. And we're going to color the pictures that do not have an SH consonant digraph yellow. SH says shh. All right, our first picture is a picture of a whale. W-ale. We're going to color that whale yellow because there is no shh in the word whale. Our next word is our next picture is a shell. Shell. We will color the shell blue because we have the shh consonant digraph in the word shale. Our next picture over is the word hat. Hat. What color do you think will color the picture hat? That's right. We're going to color it yellow. The next picture over is a picture of a sheep. Shh. We're going to color that sheep blue because of that SH consonant digraph. Sheep. The next picture down is the picture of a book. Book. Please color the book yellow because there is no SH in the word book. SH says shh. Next picture over is a picture of a fish. Fish. Do you hear that shh consonant digraph at the final part of the word? I do too. So we're going to color it blue. The next picture over is a picture of a brush. Brush. I hear the SH digraph, shh. So I will color the brush blue. The next picture is a picture of an umbrella. Umbrella. We will color the umbrella yellow because it does not have a shh digraph. All right, I'm not going to color anymore, but I will tell you what the picture is. So you will color. You may pause the video if I'm going too fast. Our next picture down is a picture of a pair of shorts. Shorts. Please color shorts blue if it has a shh sound and yellow if there is no shh sound. Our next picture over is a picture of a cloud. Cloud. Please color the cloud. Our next picture is a picture of a piece of cheese. Cheese. And our last picture on this line is a shoe. Shoe. Next picture down is a picture of a Slide. Slide. Did you hear the sh sound in slide? Next picture is a shark. Shark. Oh, this next picture is a little tricky. Listen closely. Mushroom. Mushroom. I'm going to help you with this one. Mushroom is blue because we have the sh sound in the middle of the word. And our last picture is a picture of a chair. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great. Flip your paper over. Hi, friends. We're working with vowels and consonants. We are going to color all the vowels A, E, I, O, and U red. We will color all the consonants blue. We're first going to write words with consonant digraphs. Our first word is chip. Ch-I-P. Chip. Ch-I-P. Chip. We're going to color our vowels red and our consonants blue. Our next word is the word shot. Sh-aw-t. Shot. Sh-aw-t. Shot. Please color your vowels red. I see that O. O is a vowel making the aw sound. And the other consonants blue. Our next word is the word with. W, I, th. With. Color your vowels red and color your consonants blue. And you can pause the video if I'm going too quickly for you. Our next word is the word bunch. B-a-n-ch. Bunch. B-a-n-ch. Bunch. Now please pause the video and color your vowels red and your consonants blue. Our next word is the word rush. R-a-sh. R-a-sh. Rush. Please pause the video and color your vowels red and your consonants blue. Our next word is the word thin. Th-I-n. Thin. Th-I-n. Thin. Please pause the video, color your vowels red and your consonants blue. Our next word is chat. Ch-a-t. Chat. Ch-a-t. Chat. Please color your vowels red and your consonants blue. Our next word is the word wish. W-I-sh. W-I-sh. Wish. Please pause the video and color your vowels red and your consonants blue. Our next word is the word chomp. Ch-a-m-p. Chomp. Ch-a-m-p. Chomp. Please pause the video and color your vowels red and your consonants blue. And our last word is thick. Thick. Now, most of the time when we hear the k sound at the end of the word, it's going to be CK. Thick. Now please pause the video and color your vowels red and your consonants blue. Way to go, boys and girls. Turn this into the top basket and move on to Lexia.